I'm about to pull the refrigerant out of the line. If you remember earlier, I got frustrated not being able to find a leak. Used ultrasonic leak detector under vacuum. I used ultrasonic leak detector under high pressure nitrogen at 550 psi. I used bubble leak detector at all the joints and everything like that. Twice I went over this procedure. Still couldn't find why my vacuum could enter. Now, before adding my adder to the refrigerant line, I pumped the refrigerant line up with R410. It now has 239 psi of R410 in the system, and I did an immediate leak detection after that, and then I let it sit for a few hours. I came back, I leak checked everything again, still could not find a leak. So now I'm going to remove the R410 out of my line sets, and I'm about to recover it into my 410 recovery tank. And here we go. Negative 29 on the suction up to this valve right here. I have the valve core removed out, and that's the pressure of the tank right now. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Open. Okay, did I open? Oh, I didn't open here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Open. I am now pulling down the entire system. A 6-ton air handler, an 8-ton air handler, another 6-ton air handler, and all the line set going up to the roof, to the outdoor condensing unit. And as you see, the large condenser on this unit with the 3 big high pressure fans on here keep your high side pressure really low. I can feel the lines starting to chill down a little bit. Pressure's really dropping fast. This thing is really emptying out. We're 2 minutes and 36 seconds into it. I did not pay attention to what time I opened the valve to find out how many minutes it takes to pump this entire line set out, to pump out 2 6-ton and 1 8-ton evaporator out, pull it all out and push it all into there. We're already down to 6 psi. This thing is awesomely fast. And I'm not even doing it through 3/8 line or 3/8 tube. This is 3/8. But I'm not doing it through anything bigger, like with a big 3/8 adapter on the end, or double, taking it out of the high side liquid and suction low side at the same time. I'm just taking it out of one side through a little 1/4-inch hose, neck down all the way down to that small little thing. That's it. Only one of them, not 2. We're down to 0. Oh, I could go down to there now. Definitely no liquid. So I'm 3 minutes and 48 seconds into my video right now. Down to 0. So compare that to the other smaller size frame recovery units. This thing is damn fast. Negative 15. And you can see the high side pressure is still barely moving. I think we started out at, was it 236? Go back to the beginning of the video, and I think the head pressure on this tank was 236. Only a 20-degree rise. Oh, we're hitting 20. So I'll just let this thing blow and go until it's down into the microns. This will actually pull. Well, I'm having a problem pulling really low, but this could actually pull a system down into around 800 microns. That's how good this unit works. That's it for this video right now. Now I'm gonna charge the adder for the refrigerant line. I measured up all the refrigerant line. So we got the 3/8, 5/8, no, I think it's 5/8, ½ inch, 3/8, and it adds up to 12.9 pounds is what I'll be adding into here. Alright, see you guys when I'm ready to add refrigerant.